Hey there, I'm Hannah, your go-to Excel teacher from Sheet Leveler, and today I'm tackling a super common issue, printing an Excel sheet on a single page. Ever tried to print a worksheet, only to end up with half your data on one page and the rest scattered across 5 others? Yeah, it's frustrating. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fit your entire spreadsheet onto one neat printable page without shrinking it to an unreadable size. So, let's jump right in. First things first, we need to adjust the page layout settings. Click on the Page Layout tab at the top of your Excel window. Look for the Page Setup section. It's usually near the middle. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of this section. Why do this? This opens up the Page Setup window, where we can fine-tune the way Excel prints our sheet. Got it? Great. Now let's move on. Now, here's the magic trick. In the Page Setup window, find the section called Scaling. Select Fit to. 1 page wide by 1 page tall. What this does? Excel will automatically resize your worksheet so that everything fits onto a single page. No more weird page breaks. Quick tip. If your sheet is too large, Excel might shrink the text too much. If that happens, you can try adjusting page margins. I'll show you how in a sec. Alright, we're almost done. Just one more step. Once you've set it to fit on one page, click OK to save the changes. Now go to File, Print, and you'll see that your entire sheet is neatly fitting on one page. Boom. You did it. No more Excel nightmares of cut-off tables or missing columns. If your sheet still looks a little off, try these extra tweaks. Adjust margins. Go to Page Layout, Margins, and choose Narrow or Custom Margins for better spacing. Change paper orientation. If your sheet is wide, switch from Portrait to Landscape mode under Page Setup. Use Print Preview. Always check File, Print Preview before printing. It helps catch formatting issues. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fit your Excel worksheet onto one page without losing important data. Did this trick work for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more Excel tips and tricks coming your way, and I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.